Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a vitamin E capsule for hair. First, gather 1 or 2 vitamin E capsules, depending on your hair length and thickness. Carefully puncture each capsule with a clean pin or scissors to release the rich, golden oil. It is important to dilute this concentrated oil. Combine it with about 1 tablespoon of a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil for easier application and to prevent any potential irritation. Now, let's apply the mixture. Begin by parting your hair into several manageable sections. This helps ensure the oil reaches everywhere it needs to go. Using your fingertips, gently massage the diluted vitamin E oil directly onto your scalp in circular motions. After covering your scalp, distribute any remaining oil through the mid-lengths and ends of your hair, paying special attention to areas that feel particularly dry or damaged. After applying, continue to massage your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gentle stimulation helps improve blood circulation, which can enhance the oil's benefits. Let the vitamin E oil sit on your hair for a minimum of 30 minutes to allow for proper absorption. If you desire a more intensive treatment, it is perfectly fine to leave the oil in your hair overnight, covering your head with a shower cap or towel. Once the absorption time is complete, it's time to rinse. Wash your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo, ensuring all the oil residue is completely removed. Rinse with warm water until your hair feels clean and light, without any greasy sensation. For the best results and to maintain healthy, shiny hair, incorporate this vitamin E treatment into your routine 2 or 3 times every week.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.